Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your mouse DPI on your Windows 10 and 11 operating system. So first of all, what is mouse DPI? So DPI stands for dots per inch, and it's the measurement used to show how many pixels your mouse can move when you move it to 1 inch. So I'm going to show you two different ways using which you can change the mouse pointer speed. So let's see them one by one. The first option is you just need to click on the search icon here and then search for settings app. So just search for settings and you will see settings app in the result. Just click on this. It's going to open the settings app. So once the settings app opens, you need to select the device option or the Bluetooth and devices option. So just select Bluetooth and devices option, and here on the left hand side you will be able to see mouse option. So just click on it. Here you will be able to see this option which says cursor speed, and you will be able to just increase the speed or you can make it slower. So by default it's on 10. I can just increase it to 20, which is going to increase the pointer speed to the higher speed. And when I scroll it to at the very bottom, my mouse pointer speed is going to become very slow. So ideally it should be around 10, but if you are experiencing some problems with your mouse pointer speed, then you can make it slower or faster. Let me show you the second way in which you can change the mouse pointer speed, and that is by using control panel. So you can just click on the search bar once again and search for control panel, and then click on control panel here, and then under control panel just view by large icon in Windows 10 operating system, and then click on the mouse option and you will be able to see this kind of window. You need to go to the mouse pointer options. So click on this tab which says pointers option, and from here also you can change the mouse pointer speed. So right now it's in the middle. You can make it the faster or you can make it slower from here. And once you can change your mouse pointer speed, you can click on apply and then click on OK, which is also going to change the mouse pointer speed on your Windows 10 and 11 operating system. So these are the two ways in which you can change the mouse pointer speed on your Windows 10 and 11